Oh, hey Instagram. So the purpose of this app is rather simple. It will allow users at the Crooked Knife to log in with their Instagram to use the free Wi-Fi at Crooked Knife 30th Street. They will then be redirected upon success. This was all customizable, of course, and then redirected to a website of the owner's choosing. The process is rather simple. The user will go in, flip that switch. We already have Facebook, email, Twitter will be added. We'd love to add Instagram, of course. And once they flip that switch over, they will then log in with whatever credentials they want. We definitely want to add Instagram to this. And then they'll be on their free Wi-Fi system, and in exchange we'll have received the base permissions that you allow for Instagram. Okay, I hope that helps. Thank you.